Hello and welcome to the Recap 2024 quiz series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering the topic of major sports events. So in this series of Recap 2024 quiz, we will be covering all the episodes that have already been done or covered under the recap series. So if you have not watched the recap series till now, you can go and watch the recap series on the Drishti IAS English channel. You can also go and visit the playlist of it. So let us begin with this. So the first question is, consider the following statements with reference to the Under 19 Cricket World Cup. Under 19 Cricket World Cup, first statement is, India was out in the semi-finals of the Under 19 Cricket World Cup 2022. Second, the final of the World Cup 2024 tournament was played between India and Australia. Third, India finished runner-up in the Under 19 World Cup 2024. Runner-up. Now, which of the above statements is or are correct? Only one, only two, both, 2 and 3, all of the above. So, the correct answer for this is option C, that is both. The option C talks about both 2 and 3. So, first statement is wrong, second and third is correct. So, the correct answer becomes option C, that is both 2 and 3. So, let's see this. So, India was the winner of the Under 19 World Cup 2022. So, the statement 1 becomes correct. Second is, there was a match between India and Australia in the final, in which India lost and Australia won. So, the winner was Australia. Hence, statement 2 is also correct. And in this, India was the runner-up while Australia won the title, and Australia became the winner of the tournament. Hence, option C is correct. And India has won the Under 19 World Cup 5 times so far. So, for this question, the correct answer becomes option C, that is 2 and 3. The first statement becomes wrong. Now, before moving to the second question, if we talk about then the IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains, the offline batches in English medium is starting, and admissions are open across all the branches of Delhi, be it Prayagraj, Noida, Karol Bagh, Indore, Jaipur, Lucknow. If you have any query with regards to any center, then give us a call at 87501 87501, or you can download the Drishti Learning app also. Now coming to the second question, consider the following statements with reference to Paris Olympics 2024. First statement talks about India won 6 medals at the Paris Olympics 2024, including 1 silver and 5 bronze. Second statement is, India secured 75th position in Paris Olympics 2024. Third statement is, India did not win the gold medal at this Olympics. Which of the statements given above are correct? Only one, only two, both, 1 and 3, all of the above. So, the correct answer is option C, and option C is both 1 and 3. So, first is correct, third is correct, second is incorrect, that India secured the 75th position. Let us see the answer. So, if we talk about the Paris Olympics 2024, then India won a total of 6 medals, and out of these 6 medals, 1 was silver while 5 was bronze, and 1 silver was won by Neeraj Chopra in javelin throw, and in which the Manu Bhakar and Sarabjot Singh along with other players contributed, and Manu Bhakar won 2 bronze medals and became the only Indian to win 2 medals in a Olympic. Therefore, statement 1 is correct. India secured 71st position, not the 75th position. So, India secured 71st position in Paris Olympics, hence statement 2 became incorrect. India did not win any gold medal in this Olympics, hence statement 3 is also correct. So, first is correct, third is correct, second is wrong. So, the correct answer becomes option C, that is both 1 and 3. Now, moving on to the next question, that is question number 3. So, it talked about, consider the following statements with reference to the World Aquatics Championship 2024. This championship was held in Doha, the capital of Qatar. Second is, China has won 23 gold medals in this championship. Third is, the United States and Australia won 9 and 7 gold medals respectively. And the fourth is that 29 countries won medals in this championship. How many of the statements given above are correct? Only 1, 2 and 4, only 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, or all of the above. So the correct answer for this question is option D, that is all of the above. Let's see. The World Aquatics Championship 2024 was held in Doha, and Doha is the capital of Qatar. So first statement becomes correct. China has won 23 gold medals. Second statement also became correct. United States and Australia won 9 and 7 gold medals respectively. So the third statement also become correct. And 29 nations, in total 29 nations won medals at the championships, which is the largest medal tally in the history of the competition. So the fourth statement also become correct, and all the statement becomes correct. Then the female swimmer award went to Clary Curzon of USA, while the male swimmer award went to Daniel Winneff of Ireland. Now next question, that is question number 4. Consider the following statements with reference to the Indian Premier League 2024. There are two statements. First is Chennai hosted its opening ceremony and the final of the league. Second is Kolkata Knight Riders won the IPL 2024 title for the third time. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Only one, only two, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer for this is option C, that is both 1 and 2. Let's see this. So the IPL 2024 was held from March 22 to May 26, 2024, in which a total of 10 teams participated. Then Kolkata Knight Riders won IPL 2024 title for the third time. So the second statement becomes correct. Sunil Narayan was adjudged player of the season for his performance, and Mitchell Stark was adjudged player of the match for taking 2 wickets. And this time the smart review system was implemented in the IPL. And Chennai hosted the opening ceremony and also the final of the IPL. So the statement 1 also becomes correct, and that is why the correct answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2. Now moving on to the next question, which is the question number 5. That is, consider the following statements with reference to AFC Asian Cup 2023. Two statements are, the AFC Asian Cup 2023 was held in Qatar. Second is, Qatar won its third title after winning the Asian Cup 2023. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer for this is option A, that is only 1. So first is correct, second is wrong. Let us see. The AFC Asian Cup 2023 was held in Qatar from 12th January to 10th February. So the first statement becomes correct. Qatar won its second title in the Asian Cup 2023 and not the third. So Qatar has won 2 titles. So second statement becomes wrong. Then Akram Afif of Qatar was adjudged man of the match, and Jordan has entered the final of the major tournament for the very first time. So the tournament was special for Jordan also. So the correct answer becomes option A. Now coming on to the practice question, and like always, you people will give me the answer in the comment section. So the question is, consider the following statements with reference to Davis Cup 2024. Davis Cup 2024 was organized in the city of Malaga, Spain, and in this tournament, Italy won the title by defeating Netherlands 2-0 in the final. Which of the statements given are correct? Only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So give me the answer in the comment section, and there is one more practice question for you. So how will you give me the answer? Practice question 1, then answer, practice question 2, and then answer. And if you are not able to solve it, then go and watch the sports events, major sports events recap series 2024 episode. So the last practice question is, consider the following statements with reference to the Women's T20 World Cup 2024. That is, the Women's T20 World Cup 2024 was held in Bangladesh, and the final match of this tournament was played between New Zealand and South Africa, in which New Zealand won. Now which of the statements given above is or are correct? Only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So give me the answer of both the practice question in the comment section, and go and watch the major sports events of the recap series if you have not watched it till now. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.